This video will cover the third aspect of MainSmart's purchasing system, purchase requisition approval. This is where requisitions can be approved and released to purchasing. So first we're going to make sure we're under tab 1, which is the requisition item list and approval list. We're going to select a row which represents an item on a requisition. We'll use this one as an example here. Selecting a row will show the item in this data grid below. This contains any costing information and any other information that you might need. This also shows you the approval level in the very bottom. The approval levels depend on the permissions set up on your account. What will also be shown in the very bottom is how many signatures are required for the requisition to be approved and how many has been obtained. In this particular example, 1 signature is required, but none has been obtained yet because no one has approved this requisition. So I'm going to click Approve. Since there is only one item in this requisition, this prompt follows, which says all items for this requisition has been approved. Do you want to close the requisition and release it to purchasing? If you click Yes, you will immediately be taken to tab 2, which is the approved list. If you click No, this purchase requisition will remain closed and you can release it to purchasing at a later date. For this example, I'm going to press Yes and release it to purchasing. We can see that this requisition has been released to purchasing. From here, you can decide whether you want to use an existing PO for this requisition, or you can use a whole new PO. To create a new PO, select a new transaction. If you want to use an existing PO, click Existing Transaction and you can select your PO from the drop-down menu. For this example, I'm going to use a new transaction. This will create a whole new PO for me. You also have the option to add any comments or additional information you would like. From this screen, we can see a print preview of the PO once it is created. To be able to see this, put a check mark beside Print Preview PO on Save. Finally, we're going to add this item to a PO. Since we clicked Print Preview on Save, the print preview of the PO will show up on our screen. From here, you can print it, or if you have it configured, you can fax it or email it. And that's the basic functionality of the approval screen. A couple notes about the approval screen. Depending on how your account permissions are set up, you may need to obtain 1 or more signatures on a requisition. If you need 2, you can approve your own requisition, but another user will have to come in and approve to obtain that second signature. Your requisition will not show as approved until all signatures have been obtained. You can approve your own requisition, but you cannot unapprove someone else's requisition. Now I'm just going to go over the toolbar and show you some of the features there. Under File, you can find the option to save the data grid to Excel, or print out a requisition or PO or a grid. Again, this can be printed or saved in other formats, or emailed or faxed. Under View, you can find the option to create a requisition from the inventory tree, which will be covered in another video. There's also our query builder, plus there are additional settings to manipulate the data being shown on your screen. Under Options, this is where you would set your defaults, which will be tied to your user account. And that's it for the Purchase Requisition Approval screen in MainSmart. To learn more about the other aspects of our purchasing system, please see our other videos. Thank you for watching. If you want a personalized online demonstration of any of our software features, please visit us at our website www.mainsmart.com and submit a contact request.